Syed Azmatullah Educational and Charitable Trust DSR Institute of Pharmaceutical Science कलबुर्गी ने सेलिब्रेट किया वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे। कॉलेज प्रीमाइसेस के अंदर ये वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे को सेलिब्रेट किया गया, जहां पर सारे ट्रस्ट मेंबर्स, फैकल्टी और फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स मौजूद थे। सारे प्रिकॉशंस और सोशल डिस्टेंस नॉर्म्स को फॉलो किया गया। इस प्रोग्राम को जो ट्रस्टीज़ ने अटेंड किया उनमें शामिल थे डॉक्टर सैयद सनाउल्लाह डिप्टी चीफ ट्रस्टी, डॉक्टर सैयद ज़काउल्लाह ट्रेजरर, सैयद समीउल्लाह मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी, डॉक्टर सैयदा लईखा जो कि ट्रस्टी हैं। इस प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत हुई जहां पर श्रद्धांजलि दी गई लेट डॉक्टर RM चिमकोड़े जी को, जहां के वो फॉर्मर प्रिंसिपल थे DSR IPS कॉलेज के, जो कि हाल ही में उनका निधन हुआ। उसके बाद पोस्टर प्रेजेंटेशन हुआ रोल ऑफ फार्मासिस्ट का, जिसे प्रेजेंट किया फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स ने। इस मौके पर सारे ट्रस्ट मेंबर्स और फैकल्टीज ने एक्सप्रेस किया कि फार्मासिस्ट डे का इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है और एक फार्मासिस्ट का रोल क्या है, और खास करके कोविड-19 में फार्मासिस्ट का रोल क्या चल रहा है।
Myself Roziana Ansari, student of DSR Institute of Pharmaceutical Science. We have prepared a chart on importance of role of pharmacist in pandemic during COVID-19. As we all know, pharmacists are the first point of contact. If patient is unable to visit hospital or clinic, they can directly contact to the pharmacist. They provide proper information and consultation to the patients about the medications. Pharmacists are also helping the society by delivering the medicines at home.
Myself Raisa Fatima, studying in Diploma in Pharmacy in DSR IPS of Kalburgi, and my topic is Pharmacist Importance in Teaching. What can pharmacists do for you? Your pharmacist, your medication expert, and our points are interpret drug interaction, counsel on prescription, make medication information understandable, provide vaccines, OTC counseling, manage chronic diseases, help you quit smoking, make it easier to make your medication, stay up to date on what matters to you, verify, prepare and check medications.
Good afternoon to all. Myself Farheen Anjum, studying in Diploma in Pharmacy in DSR Institute of Pharmaceutical Science. I wish all the pharmacists to happy Pharmacist Day. Our topic is pharmacist role in hospital. This is the patient-centered care. In this, collect, assess, plan, then implement, follow up, monitor and evaluate. This is the format of pharmacist patient care process.
Myself Rafiq Khan, second year in this college DSR IPS, D-Pharm second year. Pharmacist in marketing, the action or business of promotion and selling product or services इंक्लूडिंग मार्केट एडवर्टाइजिंग। इसमें सर हम अपने बिजनेस को प्रमोट करते हैं, अपने प्रोडक्ट को अच्छी सर्विसेज में सेल करते हैं और अपने प्रोडक्ट को एडवर्टाइजिंग करते हैं। होलसेलर जो होता है सर इसमें डायरेक्ट कंज्यूमर से कांटेक्ट नहीं करता, होलसेलर डज नॉट कांटेक्ट कंज्यूमर्स।
माय नेम जावेद खान। आवर टॉपिक इज़ द फार्मा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। फार्मा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में हम सबसे पहले ये देखेंगे जो क्रूड ड्रग्स को हम टैबलेट में या पिल्स में, कैप्सूल में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, तो उसके जो बीच का प्रोसेस है वो प्रोसेस को हम इसमें इंक्लूड किया। जैसे कि उसमें 6 प्रोसेस है। पहला क्या है? प्री फॉर्मुलेशन, सेकेंड पायलट फॉर्मुलेशन, थर्ड क्या है? GMP फॉर्मुलेशन, और फोर्थ इसका है एनालिटिकल मेथड डेवलपमेंट एंड क्वालिफिकेशन। और फोर्थ जो है ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कैसे कि स्टेबल करने को, इसको कैसे स्टेबल करेंगे ताकि जो ह्यूमन रहता है उसको इजीली इनटेक कर चुके। इसके बाद सबसे फाइनल रहता है कि स्टेबिलिटी स्टडीज़। उसके बाद हम फाइनल पैकेजिंग, लेबलिंग के टैबलेट या कैप्सूल सिरप जो उसको हम फाइनल करते हैं, उसके बाद फिर हम सेल करते हैं।
Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to everyone. Myself Asmat Tabassum. I have done my masters in pharmacology and I am working as a lecturer in DSR Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences from last 5 years, and presently I have been designated as a in charge principal. First of all, I would like to wish all the pharmacists across the world a very happy World Pharmacist Day. I don't know how many of us know who created this day and in which year it was created and what is the aim behind creating this day. Well, the answer is this day was created by International Pharmaceutical Federation, that is FIP, in the year 2009. We are celebrating this day on 25th September because FIP came into existence on 25th September in 1912. And I, being a pharmacist, I believe that each and every pharmacist deserve a strong recognition for their vital role in healthcare and the services they are providing to consumers. And lastly, I would wish all the pharmacists every success in helping to improve health of communities they serve. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Anam Fatima.
I am working in DSR Institute of Pharmaceutical Science from last 2 years, and recently first of all I would like to wish all a pharmacist wish you a very happy World Pharmacist Day. Millions of pharmacists globally celebrating this day on 25th of September. The aim is to value the profession of pharmacy worldwide. There are a lot of opportunities in this field, such as drug controller, drug distributor, healthcare, marketing and sales, academic, such as many more opportunities are available in this field, both in as well as government as well as and in private sectors.
ಈ ದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಔಷಧ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಹುರುಪು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಕಾರಣ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಗಲಿರುಳು ದುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ
wish you happy World Pharmacist Day. This World Pharmacist Day, let us pledge to transform global health. I, the Managing Trustee of Sayyid Azmatullah Educational and Charitable Trust, DSR Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Since from 1982, we are in this pharmacy education field, and rest we are having a number of institutes ranging from KG to PG. Today, on the special occasion of World Pharmacist Day, I would like to thank all the pharmacists who are doing a fantabulous job. In today's, the world situation is very much dangerous due to the COVID-19. Only pharmacists are doctors and the frontline warriors. Last but not the least, I thank our teaching staff, principal, non-teaching staff for their constructive support. Once again, happy Pharmacist Day. Thank you.
By the grace of Almighty Allah and the blessings of elderly people and the best wishes of friends around us, family members of this trust and well-wishers of the trust, Alhamdulillah, we are able to come up with a degree course in pharmacy for the academic year 2020-21 with an aim and ambition to cater the pharmacy education to the youths of this country. This institution has been established in a very backward region of the North Karnataka area. The purpose of establishing this pharmacy course under this trust was to give a better education in the healthcare system to the present youths of the society. Today we are celebrating the World Pharmacist Day, which has been recognized throughout the world as one of the important component of the healthcare system of the society. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Go Hash. Like, share and subscribe our channel.